introduce DDP. DDP is Huge Design Plaza in Dongdaemun. Why is named DDP? Simply it means Dongdaemun Design Plaza? No, it is a short of the dream, design, and play. Like the name, it is a funny place. There are many interesting products. When I first saw DDP, it looked like dreamlike shape. These structures are very geometric and squid. We can see the DDP logo with curve. We can distinguish roof and wall. DDP designed by architect Zaha Hadid. She mentioned structure have to make people think they cannot think. DDP is the best example about that. When you see this picture, we can find the road and door. We can think it is the entrance, but actually it is a rooftop, and these doors are not perpendicular but diagonal line. My best place in DDP is the Design Durle길. In English, Design Round Road. It is about 500 meters, and we can walk this place and watch the many design products like a chair and furniture. And there are the design cafe that's selling the coffee and souvenir. DDP hold many exhibitions. When I visit the DDP, Andy Warhol exhibition and Ganson Culture exhibition are held. We can see the exhibition pay the entrance fee. Also, there are design market like a shopping mall with a food, accessory, and custom. This is a market day in the biscuit. It looks like a bee house shape. It's very interesting. We can make the juice choosing the 3 ingredients. And this shop sells the macaron with only 900 won. I think it is very cheap and delicious. DDP is also a good park to take a walk with a friend and family. Especially, the Red Rose Garden is very beautiful. Do you want to feel something different and enjoy the creativity? Came DDP and just enjoy it.